Hey guys, this is Eve, me again from Jungle Blends, and today we're making some more Valentine's Day soaps, but this time more colorful than the usual, pink and red soaps. So here my colors are already prepared, as you can see. And what do you say? Let's get ready. Let's make some soap. Here I am pouring my lye solution into my oils and butters. And I'm only stick blending as usual until emulsion because afterwards we're going to divide the colors and stick blend some more. Then I'm going to separate this into my 6 colors. Um, This time we're gonna use a fragrance from Midwest Fragrance Company, which is great. You guys should check them out if you're making soaps. They have awesome fragrances and usually perform pretty well in soap. So I'm definitely gonna be using them again. So this one is Sea Salt and Orchid, and I absolutely love it. I'm eyeballing this, as you can see, and I'm not doing a pretty good job. I haven't used that mold that I'm using today in a long time, and somehow I forgot that it doesn't quite fill up 6 containers. I should have, yeah, I should have divided this better. But hey, it's one of my, messy mistakes as usual. So this is the mold that I'm using. It's from Nurture Soap and it's a 7.5 pound mold. So it's pretty huge. It makes for me 18 bars, but very large bars. So I guess that's why I'm not using it so often because I feel like sometimes customers shy away from those really large bars, even though, I always tell them they can cut them to save. And, but yeah, people tend to prefer smaller sizes that fit better in their hands, I guess. So here I'm going for a layer pattern, and instead of just layering them flat, I want to layer them diagonally. So I keep tilting my mold every time I pour in a new color. I just use a towel that I put underneath, and as you can see, every time one color sets completely, which is important, you have to let it set. You can tilt it back to the other side and then pour the other color. Here I am doing an okay job cleaning the sides, but I didn't quite clean the other side well. And so that makes that, you'll see at the end when I cut it, I have some residue on the sides, but nothing that can't be fixed, so it's not a big deal. Now with the yellow, I should have waited a bit longer. I don't know if you can see it, but it's still moving a little bit, but that's why I poured the orange really, really fast to cover it up. And the red is my last layer, and now obviously we're not done. We're gonna also pipe this thing. So I wanted to put some blue on top because I didn't have enough blue at the bottom. So I thought it would be nice to put some on top as well. And I also wanted to do a dual color, something I had never tried before. So this is my experiment with it, and I like doing it. It's not as hard as I thought it would be. But once again, I probably started when my batter was too runny and I should have waited a little bit longer. Although the part that you're seeing right now turned out pretty okay. It's just the first two that are not so nice, but hey, again, I'm still learning. It's not as easy as it looks, to be honest. So here, the second layer, I'm just covering up any of the holes that I left out. And at the same time, I'm praying that I have enough batter to finish everything, because it would really suck, if I had to remake some batter to finish it. But I was lucky and I managed to get it all out there and all covered up. So now I'm putting in my little heart embeds. And again, I chose purple because I wanted, more of a neutral color, not this lovey-dovey pink or red. I wanted to make a friendship bar, so I think this is pretty cool. And I covered it with some glitter, of course, to make it look more fabulous. So now I'll see you the next day for the cut. And yeah, that was a lot of work. Now, just to see how gigantic this loaf is, like this is what it looks like. It's really huge. Like, I don't know, like I'm still a little bit intimidated by it, I guess. But let's cut it and see what it looks like on the inside. So you can see on the side I have some blue residue, but it's okay, we can bevel this. And to my surprise, it looks better than I thought it would. I thought that, you know, with the little blue it wouldn't look so nice, but I actually really like it. So now I just need to make sure to cut it properly so that every piece has one heart in the center. And I really like the result, even though I have some glycerin rivers in the purple part for some reason. I guess maybe I didn't stick blend it enough, but everything else to me looks pretty good. I'm happy with it. And here we go. This is a close-up to the end result. I have some soda ash, but I will steam that off. And hopefully soon I'll be posting a picture on Instagram. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and hopefully see you soon for the next video.